Hello students. Today we discuss two theorems here. One is sandwich theorem, otherwise Cauchy's first theorem on limits. Okay, what is sandwich theorem? If there are three sequences an, bn and cn such that an less than or equal to bn less than or equal to cn, terms in the first sequence is less than or equal to terms in the second, and that are less than or equal to terms in the third. If limit of left member here, limit an is L, limit of Cn is also L, then limit of middle one is also L. Sandwich ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. You know bread sandwich. Okay. Bread sandwich you have, right? Taken. Between A and Cn, the terms of sequence Bn are there. So if the limit of right member is L, left member is also L, then limit of middle one is L. That is sandwich theorem. Okay, this you have proved in probably in PUC also. Okay. Let epsilon greater than 0 be given. Since limit an is L and limit Cn is also L, sequences an and Cn are converging to L. They are converging to L. They are converging to L, therefore there exist positive integers m1 and m2 such that modulus an minus L less than epsilon and mod Cn minus L is also less than epsilon. This is for all n greater than or equal to m1. Here it is for all n greater than or equal to m2. By saying that mod an minus L less than epsilon, you mean that an lies between L minus epsilon and L plus epsilon. Here Cn lies between L minus epsilon and L plus epsilon for all n greater than or equal to m1, here for all n greater than or equal to m2. So you have two numbers here, m1 and m2. So whichever larger here, whether m1 is larger or m2 is larger, whichever larger is there, you call it as m. M is maximum of m1, m2. Okay. So for all n greater than or equal to m is the larger of m1, m2. By using your inequality in 1, inequality in 2, and also by one of the hypothesically only an less than or equal to bn, bn less than or equal to cn ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You start with this. L minus epsilon is less than an. By hypothesis, an is less than or equal to bn, and bn is less than or equal to cn, right? Cn is less than L plus epsilon. Okay, you are just connecting this inequality and the one in 1, other in 2. Starting with L minus epsilon, it is less than an is less than or equal to bn less than or equal to cn is less than L plus epsilon. So your bn happens to be, right, between L minus epsilon and L plus epsilon, right, for all n greater than or equal to this m. For all n greater than or equal to m, where m is maximum of m1, m2. So if bn lies between these two values, right, it's a neighborhood of L. Okay, mod bn minus L is less than epsilon. Mod bn minus L is less than epsilon. That is, bn lies in this interval. Mod bn minus L is less than epsilon for all n greater than or equal to m. This is to mean that limit of bn is L. See, whenever limit an is L, limit cn is L, the limit of the middle one is also L. That is sandwich theorem. It's sandwich. Fine. Coming to the second theorem, Cauchy's first theorem on limits. See, if limit an is L, then limit of a1 plus a2 plus etc. an divided by n is also L. Okay. So you take bn equal to an minus L. This is an unto, this is L unto. An is converging to L. Right? The sequence an has the limit L. an minus L unto. An minus L, you call it as bn. What is limit an? As n tend to infinity. right? Limit a n as n tend to infinity is given to be L. It is given to be L. So you take the limit here, limit bn as n is tending to infinity. It is limit of right hand side. Limit of an. It is constant. L andre it is a number, it is fixed. Limit of L is L itself. Limit of constant is constant. So ಇದು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎ ಎನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ಸೊ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಎನ್ ಆಸ್ ಎನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ 0. ಫೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ limit of bn is 0. This is to mean that sequence bn converges to 0. Okay. What is an? Look here. An is bn plus l. L plus bn. Okay. An is l plus bn. Fine. So an is l plus bn. Therefore, a1 plus a2 plus an divided by n, it is L plus B1 plus B2 plus Bn divided by n. Actually, we want to find the limit of this. We want to prove that limit of this is equal to L. That's for which what is required? You want to show that limit of B1 plus B2 plus Bn by n is 0 ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದೆ. If this limit value is 0, then you are getting limit of a1 plus a2 plus an divided by n equal to L. It's exactly what we want to prove in your Cauchy's theorem on, isn't it? Cauchy's first theorem on limits alli, whenever limit an is L, you want to prove that limit of a1 plus a2 plus etc. an by n is L. Okay. So you want to prove that this limit is 0. Okay. Sequence Bn is given to be convergent. We know that every convergent sequence is bounded, right? So there exists some number k for which mod bn is less than k. And then bn lies between minus k and plus k. Mod bn is less than k for all n, because sequence is bounded. Moreover, the sequence bn is converging to 0. Sequence bn converges to 0. Fine. Since sequence bn converges to 0, for given epsilon greater than 0, there exists a positive integer m for which ಇಲ್ಲಿ term value is bn, limit value is 0, bn is converging to 0, the difference is made less than epsilon by 2. Epsilon by 2 is not a problem because epsilon is the smallest positive number. Epsilon by 2 is still smaller, so no difficulty with the epsilon by 2. It is for convenience we are choosing by 2. So mod bn minus 0 ಅಂದರೆ mod bn ಆಯಿತು less than epsilon by 2. Okay, for all n greater than or equal to m. Please look at this, b1 plus b2 etc. bn divided by n. ಇಲ್ಲಿ m is smaller than n ಅಲ್ಲ, m is smaller than n. You take m somewhere here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ m ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, b1 b2 up to bm, because m is smaller than n, up to bm divided by n ಉಂಟು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿ ಎಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒನ್ನಿಂದ ಬಿ ಎನ್ ತನಕ, ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಟು ಬಿ ಎನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ದೆನ್ ಎನ್, ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ದೆನ್ ಎನ್, ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಎಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿ ಒನ್ ಬಿ ಟು ಬಿ ಎಮ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒನ್ನಿಂದ ಬಿ ಎನ್ ತನಕ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬಿ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್, ಬಿ ಟು ಬೈ ಎನ್, ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ಇದು ಬಿ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್, ಬಿ ಟು ಬೈ ಎನ್, ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ. ಮಾಡ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮಾಡ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ ಬಿ. ಇದರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಲೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಮಾಡ್ಲೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಮಾಡ್ಲೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Here also same again, the modulus of this mod bm plus 1 by n, mod bm plus 2 by n, etc. mod bn by n. n ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಹಾಕಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ n ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ mod b is sequence bn is bounded, so mod bn is less than k for every n. For each value of n it is less than k. So this is less than k. When n equal to, it is less than k. When n equal to m, also it is less than k. How many terms are there? 1, 2, etc. m terms are there. Each one is less than k. Each one is less than k. So m times are there. M into k by n. Divided by n is here. This repeated m times. Each one is less than k. So it is less than or equal to m into k by n. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, how many terms are here? First, of the n terms, you are omitting m. n terms ಅಲ್ಲಿ m ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. You are left with n minus m terms. n minus m terms are here, right? Each of the value here is less than epsilon by 2. Mod bn less than epsilon by 2 for what m? For all n to the right of m ಇದು. For all n to the right of m ಅಂದರೆ m plus 1 onwards. m plus 1 onwards. m plus 1 onwards. Each value is less than epsilon by 2. So ಇದು less than epsilon by 2, ಇದು less than epsilon by 2, ಇದು less than epsilon by 2. How many values are there? n minus m. Right? n minus m into epsilon by 2 divided by n. Divided by n. Okay? Fine? Okay. What is n minus m by n? If you divide here, it is 1 minus m by n. 1 minus something ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It is a fraction. Fraction into epsilon by 2, it is again less than epsilon by 2. Right? This is going to be a fraction, positive fraction, into epsilon by 2. It is also a fraction. It's going to be less than epsilon by 2. Okay? So this is strictly less than, ಇದು mk by n. ಇದು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. But this value is strictly less than epsilon by 2. Okay? Next, you take an integer m, positive integer m1, it is greater than 2mk by epsilon ಅಂತ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ you want to make this less than epsilon by 2. ಇದನ್ನು less than epsilon by 2, you have to make it less than epsilon by 2. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನು less than epsilon by 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you have to choose an integer to the right of this one. 2mk by epsilon in the right-ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Okay, you are choosing m1 to be a positive integer greater than 2mk by epsilon, so that for any value to the right of m1, for any n to the right of m1, that n will be greater than 2mk by epsilon. Okay, now ಇಲ್ಲಿ mk by epsilon divide by 2, or you divide by n, n ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, epsilon ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. mk by n, ಇದು mk divided by n, it will be less than epsilon by 2. Okay, for what n? For every n to the right of m1. Right? m1 is greater than 2mk by epsilon. So your n is also greater than 2mk by epsilon. n is also greater than 2mk by epsilon. So mk by 2 will be less than epsilon by 2. Okay? So ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು m ಇದೆ. Here there is an m1. Right? m ಮತ್ತು m1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಉಂಟು, you take it as m dash. Okay, take m dash equal to maximum of m and m1. For any integer n, right, which is greater than this maximum value of these two, that is greater than m dash, we have, look at this, modulus b1 plus b2 plus bn divided by n. It is strictly less than the mk by n. mk by n is less than epsilon by 2. Okay, plus the second part, it is also epsilon by 2. It is going to be epsilon. So this sum, that is b1 plus b2 etc. bn divided by n minus 0, it is strictly less than epsilon for all n greater than m dash. M dash. What do you mean by this inequality? This is nothing but saying that limit of this value, limit of this is 0. It is nothing but saying that limit of b1 plus b2 plus etc. bn divided by n is 0. Limit of b1 plus b2 plus etc. bn by n is 0 if modulus b1 plus b2 plus etc. bn by n minus 0 is less than epsilon for all n to the right of m dash, where m dash is maximum of m1 and m1 and m. So you are proving that limit n tend to infinity of b1 plus b2 etc. bn by n is 0. Please refer to your equation number 1. Equation number 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಉಂಟು ನೋಡಿ. Limit of a1 plus a2 plus an by n, it is L plus other limit. The other limit value is 0. This is going to be 0. So you are proving that this limit value is L. This limit value is L. It L plus is 0 ಆಗಿತ್ತು. That's exactly required in the Cauchy's first theorem on limits. Okay. And what is the converse of this theorem? Converse of the theorem is need not be true. Converse of the theorem need not be true. That is, converse ಅಂದರೆ P implies Q ಇದು converse, Q implies P ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If limit of a1 plus a2 plus an by n is L, then it is not necessary that limit an is L. It is a sequence an is converging to L is not necessary. Limit an is L. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿ. In order to justify that converse of the above theorem is not true, take the example of minus 1 to the power n. You know that minus 1 to the power n is an oscillating sequence. It is not convergent. It is oscillating. Its terms are minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, etc. It is an oscillating sequence. It is not convergent. Please look at the value a1 plus a2 plus etc. an by n. See, n even idre, what is the value? It is going to be 0. n even ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus 1 to the power 1 ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, minus 1 to the power n ಇದು, minus 1 square is plus 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ a2. ಇದು minus 1 to the power 1 ಇದು, minus 1 to the power 1 ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಾಗ minus 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು minus 1 by n plus 1 by n 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವೆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, 6 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, 4 ಇರುವಾಗ 2 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ 2 ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಸಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ 0. ಈವನ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ಸಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ 0. ವೆನ್ ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ minus 1 by n. ಸೇ n equal 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, minus 1 by n ಇದು, ರೈಟ್. And n is odd, minus 1 by n. When n is even, it is 0. ನೋಡಿ, n ಗೆ 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇದು minus 1 by n, ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 1 by n ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ minus 1 by n, ಇದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. When n is odd. When n is odd, it is minus 1 by n. When n is even ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6 ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಆಗ ಸಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ 0. ಈಗ ಇದರ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಉಂಟು, ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ n ಈವನ್ n ಆಡ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ಇದರ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ 0 is 0 ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by n ಆ್ಯಸ್ n is tending to infinity is 0, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ a1 plus a2 plus an divided by n, a1 plus a2 plus etc. an divided by n as n approaching infinity is 0. But your Cauchy's first theorem on limits, ಇದರ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆನೆವರ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲ್, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ an ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ an ಅಂದರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ minus 1 to the power n. It is oscillating sequence. It oscillates between minus 1 and plus 1. It is not convergent. The limit of an is not 0. Limit of an is not 0. Right? For the sequence minus 1 to the power n, limit n tend to infinity of this is 0. But limit an is not equal to 0. Therefore, converse of the theorem is not true. Okay? Converse of the Cauchy's first theorem on limits is not true. Whenever limit an is L, right? Limit an is L, then limit of a1 plus a2 plus etc. plus an divided by n is also L. It is not other way. It is not conversely. Because you look at the example of minus 1 to the power n. Here P implies Q is true here, but P is not true. Limit an is not 0. Though the limit of a1 plus a2 plus an divided by n is 0. So we have just placed two theorems. One is sandwich theorem, other one is Cauchy's first theorem on limits. And also you have remarked about the converse. The converse of Cauchy's first theorem on limits is not true, right, by taking the example of minus 1 to the power n. So that is sufficient for the day. I have delayed in sending a video today because I was busy today and I was not in the station. I could not send the video on time, and just now I am completing the video recording, and this will be immediately uploaded, and as soon as it is uploaded it will be sent to you. Thank you very much.